Guten Tag, everyone. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but I like to have a break sometimes. But today, I've got some more door closers delivered. Yes. So this time, we're not going to show my address. But these are going to be some lovely, big, huge door closers. Got fucking worked. God, he's packaging well. Bless him. Ooh. Oh dear, it's all wet. It's raining like hell today. Oh my God, bruv, look at this. Wow. Are we ready, guys? So happy. Over the fucking moon, bruv. Over the moon. Are you ready? Just the door closer, doctor. Look at this bad boy. Oh my God. So we've got 12. We've got one. They're the bits that go on the front. Got one. Just put it there so we can see them on the side. One there. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a dormer one. Put some tape on it so when it was travelling the arm didn't go everywhere. 2. I even got myself a lovely Tessimo coffee machine the other week. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so nice. Oh wow, need a bit of a clean. Damn. These are literally the Rolls Royce of door closers. They're beautiful. So we've got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 4. 12 of these. Oh dear. It's just the 4 there. Set you free, my darling. There we go. Oh, she's coming to life. Oh, beautiful. Damn. This is a GEZE TS 4000 door closer. Now, I can't tell you guys how good these are. These are literally the Rolls Royces of door closers. Brand new, one of these will set you back about £140, but he sent them to me because I've been after these for a while, and yeah, they're just incredible, absolutely incredible. Oh, wow. Set this one free as well. Shit. Bit dangerous to have it like that, coming from transport. It got a little bit battered on transport, but never mind. These are so nice, guys, literally. Very nice indeed. For cleaning nude! Shut up! Come! These ones have come under tension as well. Carefully does it. Gotta took your bloody finger off. So here we have. Oh, it's even got a GEZE TS4000. It's even got the ball bearing thing in it there to show you. Literally, can you see that? That's the little ball bearing thing that goes up and down, basically, to let you know what the tension of the door is. But you have to be quite gentle with these ones, because these ones can break easy. So, oh my god, this letter got damaged on transport. Be quiet! I'll put your front door on YouTube. I won't warn you again. So, one door closer. Two door closer. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. In the words of David Attenborough, very exquisite, very beautiful, and just elegant. Lovely. I'm going to put my fan on. Sick of hearing that cunt. Hope it explodes and goes bang, catches house on fire, bastard. It's my fan in the background. I can't stand him. He sounds like a fucking elephant walking around my ceiling all the fucking time. So I put the fucking fan on. So got 1, 2, 3. Oh, door more in here. 4. And if you're a builder watching this, stop taking it out when the door closes. Stop being nasty. If you're a builder, give me all your door closers because I want them. Oh, shit. Nearly stabbed myself then. Don't try this at home, kids. These come in very handy as a weapon, though. Say that to my little friend! So yeah, they do come in handy as weapons. Oh, that one's going slow. Oh, lovely. That one's on the door for like 2 hours long. So yeah. Can't fucking wait till he moves out. Fucking tall piece of shit. He's got no respect for anyone. Walks about on my ceiling like a fucking elephant. I'll have to chainsaw his fucking legs off. Fucking prick. Here's the next box of door closes. Sounds a bit like a car engine might extract a fan. I'm so excited. Oh, here she be. Oh my god, look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh, fucking more. Oh dear. We'll put them in the background so you can see. Ready? Got one there. Two there. Three. I remember my dad saying to me when I was a kid, he was like, Matthew, it's like you'll have so many door closers one day, you have to put them on your grave. I've never seen that particular design with the cat, but I do like it. It's very different. I will just say, there you go, just the door closed, darling. Look at those. Here comes some more dormers. Oh, well, at least they've been taken care of. That's the main thing. You normally see door closers that are battered and fucking ripped off doors, but it's lovely, this one. The fucking tall bastard had the audacity a few weeks ago. Do you mind? It's about 12 in the morning. You don't fucking mind. Fucking putting me camera up, you fucking spastic. If you don't like it, move out. Quite simple. There's for sale signs outside. Why didn't you join everyone else? Good. Good fucking riddance. Don't come back. Take the slag of a girlfriend with you and all who's rude. Fucking fat slag. Oh. Right, where was I? If I got rudely interrupted, do apologise. Right, so, trying to get the tape off this one at the moment. Oh, there we go. Spring-loaded, oh look at that. Looks like my record going up in the morning. Oh, lovely. Quiet! Don't say fuck or bugger! You're on camera. To be fair, Matthew, he has been quiet on your seat. Yeah, he has actually. He's been very quiet. The way neighbours should be. But normally he fucking lumps on the ceiling like a fucking elephant. Thank God he stopped it. The war is finally over. Right. Oh my God, guys, look at this one. Damn, that's how it should be, look. This is a GEZE. I don't know what he's done to the arm. He tried to kill it. Don't be killing me, Doc. Who's saying it? Trying to breathe. They cut the air supply off and the arm can't move. I know, baby. It's fine. Don't you panic. Don't you worry, my darling. Excuse me a moment. Swoosh. I'll come to you lot in a minute. I know, my darling. How dare he fucking tip you up like that? I know, my sweetheart. I'll take good care of you, my darling. Oh, how dare he put tape on you like that? What an absolute wanker! Oh, my darling. Oh, bloody hell. Well, you're safe with Mummy now. Safe with Mummy. Absolutely safe with Mummy. Oh, what have I done to me fucking leggings now? I can't have anything, I really can't. I've just opened me fucking door closes. And I got fucking... Oh, don't even ask what that is. I'm not even going to go there, bruv. Not even gonna go there. No. Right. Okay. Oh. Oh. What on earth has he done to this one? Poor thing. God. I tell him, just next time, don't put tape on it. Let the bloody thing move. You nearly get decapitate the poor thing in half. Poor thing. Poor bloody thing. Poor thing. Oh, it's going to break free itself, look. It wants to break free. Oh, careful. Look at this. It's trying to kill me. I'm going to sue for entrapment. Yeah, don't know fucking why, but all my neighbours are moving out. Some of them are. All my neighbours are lovely, but some of them are moving out. They're clearly not happy with the YouTuber in the building. Never mind. Never mind. You're off my game. Oh, it doesn't look absolutely lovely. I can't stop watching that man Nala and his dogs. Nala to the pressure of the moon. This is how I'm going to talk to my door closers. My door closers are my money. And if anyone's got a problem with that, kill you. Right. I'm so glad I've gone back to my childhood dream of collecting door closers. One of my friends on Facebook, she said to me, Matthew, I was like, yeah. She was like, if there was a blast, and I was like, yeah, nuclear war. I was like, she was like, cover yourself in your door closers, you survive. True. Yes, we're in very turbulent times, my darlings, at the moment. We really are. The world's fucked. That's what it is. Too many fucking politicians making all the wrong decisions. Half of them are beautifully gay. How lovely is that? There we go. Lovely. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh fucking hell, I've got more yet. 7. Oh, got another one. Oh, and to think these poor babies have been chucked at. Poor babies. You're watching your build on a building site, you're trying to break one of these, I'll break your neck. These have got feelings too. Yeah, they have. Believe it or not. And they're just a door closer, doctor. They may be door closers, but they are lovely. And I like them. Oh, the arm's going to come alive in a minute. Bit like my cock. Hang on. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous and fantastic. Oh, wow. That's a beauty, that is. Then, what we do is, these can't be vandalised. If you're a yelp, my darling, and you're trying to break one of these and set it on fire, think again, because it will take your head off, sweetheart. These things are the Rolls-Royce door closers. Rolls-Royce? Rolls-Royce door closers. You can't break one of these. The arm is vandal-proof. It's so fucking tough, this thing. And they're just beautiful. Excuse me a minute, I'm just going to make out my door closer. Oh, I got another one. I thought he didn't put the arm in. I was like, what? 24? What? Has he sent me 24? 24? Okay. He's put 24. He might have sent me 24 door closers then. Fucking hell, bruv. 24. And I don't know fucking why, but I wish I was rich as my neighbours, because I eat takeaway food all the time. There's not one day I see a neighbour come in with fucking shopping. It's just me. I'm struggling up the stairs like that old fucking granny. Bloody help me, I need a boyfriend to help me with the shopping. Me stand me fall sometimes, and nearly broke my neck the other week. Best to call the landlord up and they get a fucking chairlift. Turn into my nanny. I pretend to reach the stairs. I could. My neck's hurting. I can't walk. Need more pip. No, same thing. I actually can't walk properly sometimes because my heart condition's bad, you know. Going up the stairs, my heart's 200 miles an hour. Fuck it is. Ever since that fucking COVID. Ooh, shit. There we are. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh my darlings. No one's going to come in between me and my door closers. They'll bear in with me. Oh, can you imagine me dead with all the door closers on me? I'd be happy, you know, I really would. Oh, is that one still going? Was that still on a slow setting? Was it just, oh no, it was like that. Just see if it works. Super bloody strong. These things are that fucking strong, they take your hand off. Oh, it's sharp, mummy! Oh shit, don't took my fucking hand off then. That's why it came off the door, because that one went fast. Go fast! Don't go slow! Thank you. My neighbour is lovely downstairs. He's so kind to me. Give me the Wi-Fi password. Yes, he did. Oh, let's just shove that in there like that. And that's the shell guide that goes on there like so. It makes it look more professional. Look at that. Beautiful, my darlings. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. I love it. I really do. I really do love it. I'm loving it. I've got another one here. I can feel it. I can feel it coming. Oh, it's more shells. Now with these, they go on the front of the door closer, like I just showed you. It's like a fascia. But when you turn around, you have got closing speed. You've got latch speed. It tells you how many turns you can turn it. Number of turns, direction, sizes, and all of this. Factory preset. Look, isn't that clever? Because it's the Rolls-Royce of door closers. So if you don't know how to alter it, it tells you. Isn't that clever? But I'm a mastermind. I know how to alter them. Oh, I just want to say a big thank you to Just the Door Closer Doctor that sent me all our lovely, wonderful pictures of all our door closers. Honestly, they're amazing. They're a truck full of door closers. Like literally, I've got some pot-belly door closers now. I've got 15 pot-belly ones. I'll have to show them in a different video. But she showed me some massive door closers that were all in the back of her boyfriend's truck, I believe, or her truck. And some of them even got burnt because her ex-boyfriend set her house on fire. How nasty is that? Nasty bastard. If you're watching me, I'll set you on fire. Oh, designers and codes. If you just tuned in, I've got a wacky bubbly sense of humour. I really have. And if you're watching and you want to date me, fuck off, I don't want a boyfriend. That's what I say to that. Smell my fart. Lovely. Let me go and get the other box of door closers because there's still more. I can't believe I made a fucking cut. And here's the last box. And I'm not showing you my dress again. Some more in here and all. What the fuck am I going to do with them all? What's 250? I've got 250 door closers altogether, plus 24. 224. This box didn't break, that's the main thing. Are we ready, everyone? Come back for part 2.